everyone, welcome back to Renourish with Manisha. My name is Manisha Mehta. I am your own clinical dietitian and sports nutritionist, and today we are going to discuss the continuation of the last week's video in which I had discussed with you what is the educational roadmap to become a dietitian or a nutritionist, what is the difference between the dietitian and a nutritionist, and how you can become a nutritionist if you are changing your career. And in today's video, I am going to discuss with you what are the job profiles that a nutritionist can go for and what is the earning potential. So, if you are interested in this topic, then keep on watching. The first and the most common job profile a dietitian goes for is hospital or working in collaboration with a doctor. Now, why I say only dietitian, not a nutritionist? Because dietitians are qualified to take care of the clinical aspect of the human body, whereas nutritionists usually take care of only the weight loss part. Though there is no clear line as such, however, dietitians actually go through the training which is required to deal with the clinical issues in their master's degree, which a nutritionist does not undergo. And this is another reason why every dietitian is a nutritionist, but all nutritionists are not dietitians. The second job profile a dietitian or a nutritionist can go for is working with a slimming center, helping their sales target, and also working with their clients one-on-one to guide them for their nutrition plans and giving them weight loss as a result. The third job profile a nutritionist or a dietitian can go for is with a fitness center or a health center where people come, work out or do any kind of physical activity, and to combine that physical activity with the right kind of nutrition, a nutritionist comes into the picture and helps the people to manage that aspect of their workouts. The fourth job profile a dietitian or a nutritionist can go for is working with a corporate house and helping their employees to help them reach closer to their health goals. And the fifth job profile the nutritionist or a dietitian can go for is working on their own, having their own company and doing their own self-practice. No matter where a dietitian or a nutritionist works, it's important to constantly upgrade the knowledge because there are so many researches happening on the human body every single day, and we need to understand human body, and it is never going to be enough. In fact, I can tell you from the personal experience, it's been 15 years almost that I am studying specifically human body and how it functions in conjugation with the food, and till date it happens at times that I feel that there are so many things which I do not know, and this is despite working with people one-on-one for almost a decade. Now let's talk about the earning potential of a dietitian or a nutritionist. The first ever job that I took as a nutritionist was that I used to visit a gym very near to my house, and I used to go there only once or twice in a week for 2 or 3 hours maybe, and at that time I used to charge 200 INR per diet plan that I used to make. This was back in 2012, and fast forward to almost a decade, right now I make easy 6 figures every single month from my recurring clients and my new clients which come in every single month for my nutrition counseling sessions. What I have done in these 10 years is what I have documented in this video right here, where I talk about all my experiences, all my jobs. So if you want, you can watch that video also. However, let's not give me too much of nostalgia and let's talk about what is the starting salary of a nutritionist. Sadly enough, the starting salary of a nutritionist has not changed in the last 6 or 7 years that I have seen. I started my first corporate nutritionist job in 2015, and back then I used to earn 23,000 rupees a month, and sadly even now I see nutritionists starting with a salary of exactly that or even lesser than that. There is a special program that I conduct only for new nutritionists or struggling nutritionists, wherein I teach them the business aspect of how to run a successful nutrition practice, keep getting new clients and keep getting renewals from their clients, and how they can give better results to their clients. And here are a few things that I teach to specifically my students in that program. First is that it is not only about the money that you get in a job which should give you the job satisfaction, but also the amount of hours that you are putting in that job. For example, when I started out as a nutritionist, I was working two jobs. First was as a project manager in a corporate house. Second was when I was establishing myself as a nutritionist and practicing in that small gym. In total, I used to work around 10 to 11 hours a day, and I used to make somewhere around 25 or 26,000 rupees. Fast forward a decade to today, I work somewhere around 2 to 3 hours in a day and I make six figures every single month. In my program, I work on two aspects of my students. First is the mindset, because what I feel is that the new and struggling nutritionists do not feel capable of charging their worth or demanding their worth in the job that they are in. And the second thing is, I give out practical techniques which they can apply in whatever business model they are in, so that they can actually get the value of their time. Because after all, if your education doesn't help you pay your bills, then what is the point of your education anyway? If you are also a new nutritionist or a nutritionist soon to be or a struggling nutritionist, then there is a good news for you. I am going to conduct a free masterclass in which I am going to tell you how you can help your clients better, so that you can also pay your bills better. And if you want to register for that masterclass, the link is in the description box, and I would highly recommend that you register for the masterclass and come for the masterclass, because first, it is going to help you monetize your education better. Second thing, it is going to give you the job satisfaction that you deserve. And the third thing, it is going to give you better results for your own clients. However, having said all of that, I cannot deny the fact that God and my clients have been very, very kind to me, and they have been supporting me throughout this decade of my journey as a nutritionist. So, I want to take this moment to thank God, all my clients, all my colleagues, and the NutriBoss students for supporting me and helping me in this decade of my journey as a nutritionist. And on that note, Manisha Mehta signing off. I'll see you next week. Till then, make sure that you are a fit foodie. And remember, I love you unconditionally. And nutritionists, fill the registration form. Bye.